Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. In this video, let me show you the Q9 smartwatch for Android and iOS. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Like we normally do, let's start with a quick unboxing. Remember guys, this is a very cheap smartwatch, comes with two straps. I'll show you that in a minute. So on the back of the box you'll find some specs. It has a heart rate monitor, call alerts, message alerts. You can trigger your camera on the phone. It has alarms, sleep monitoring, stopwatch, IP67 waterproof, anti-loss function within the Bluetooth range, works with iOS and Android. There's also the screen size, 1.3 inches, and finally the resolution is 240 by 240. Okay, let's open this really quick. And very minimal box, of course. This is a budget smartwatch. Although it comes with two straps, no matter the color you pick, you always get a black one, and in my case I picked the navy blue. You have 5 different colors to choose from. Have a look at the link below in the description. I tried to measure the width of the strap. It's around 17 to 18 mil. My bet it's on 18 mil. Sorry, it's not very precise, I know. It comes of course with a charger, USB charger. You put your watch in there, plug that to your computer, power bank, whatever, and you're good to go. It charged the watch in 2 hours roughly. There's an indicator on the screen as well. It also has instructions in several languages, but the watch only works in English, so no other languages. At least I couldn't change it. And last but not least, the watch itself. There you have it guys, the Q9 smartwatch. The watch is made of plastic, the full body is plastic. There's a heart rate monitor. The screen is also made of plastic. Within this price range we can ask for more. Okay, moving on, let's put the straps on the watch. Yeah, it's a good looking watch, made of plastic of course. I need to be honest, don't expect a super duper watch when you're paying this price. They try to make the watch look like an Apple Watch, but of course it's not. It's slightly narrow as well, not so square. The watch is operated by this small button. It doesn't have touchscreen. Of course you'll have an app on your phone to control loads of functions as well. Brightness wise, I would say it's average. Depends on the angle looking at the watch and if we have loads of reflections or not. I must say in real life doesn't look that bad as the video I'm showing it. In the pub, it does show you the time to go home or if you have time for another pint. You might ask, Ryan, can I take this watch to the pool for swimming? And I would say, maybe. It's an IP67 watch, that means you can drop it into a body of water to a meter deep for half an hour. I think I went more than 1 meter deep, but yeah, it's working so far. Hopefully it will continue to work. And what about the heart monitor? Will it work underwater? Yes, it does. Okay guys, let me show you now the app and the functions of the watch to wrap this video. The app you need to download, it's called Wear Health. It's available for Android and iOS. You need to pair the watch with your phone using Bluetooth. You can turn Bluetooth off on the watch itself. It's always on. Okay, within the app you can use it to measure your heart rate and blood pressure. You can do this without an app, of course, directly on the watch itself. There is also a sport function that will track your running or walking within the app using your phone as a GPS location. After you set your profile on the app, you can set your target for the steps. I must say, guys, I've found very optimistic the results of the pedometer. The step counter, in my opinion, doesn't work that well. I'll keep trying this watch and I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated. Inside the device management, you have several options like the call reminder, SMS reminder, continuous heart monitor, and you have the notifications on the watch for several apps as well, including a drink reminder or a sedentary reminder that you can set for 1 hour, for example, and the watch will alert you to drink some water or stand up. There is also an option to update the firmware of the watch, which is always good. There is also an alarm function that you can set your alarm, and a screensaver option that you can send a picture from your phone to the watch face. In addition, you can tap to know where your watch is and vice versa. There is also a function on the watch that you can use to find your phone within the Bluetooth range. Remember, this watch works with Bluetooth. Inside the app, there's also a photo function that checking your watch will take a picture. Very good for selfies. You can choose 3 different faces on the watch. You have this one like a bluish with bigger numbers, and an analog face. Functions wise on the watch, you have the step counter, calories burn counter, distance, heart rate monitor, blood pressure, sleep monitor, sports monitor, message notification, you have a timer, and the find your phone function as well. And there you go, guys, that's the SQ9 smartwatch. There's a link in the description so you guys can have a look. Try to find for a good deal. Sometimes GearBest do some nice discounts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Of course, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope I can see you all in the next one.